Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing different job advertisement. So let's get started. The firm is hiring an electronics engineer, so interested candidates can send their resume to the mail address support@easegoing.online. Moving on to next one. The firm is hiring junior executive accounts with minimum 0 to 3 years of experience and accounts assistant. For this, they are looking for freshers, so interested candidates can contact through the phone number 70250630024. The firm is looking for call center executives, so interested candidates can contact through the phone number 7034000811. The firm is looking for an accountant with 5 plus years of experience in Cochin, so interested candidates can contact through the phone number 8310627969. The firm is hiring student counselors with 2 plus years of experience, so interested candidates can contact through the email ID hr@transource.com or through the phone number 8281114448. The firm is looking for Java developer with 6 to 9 years of experience in Bangalore or Hyderabad. So interested candidate can send your resume to the mail ID info@techneedsolutions.com or to the contact number 6380721591. So that's all for today guys. Best wishes. Keep trying, keep growing.